Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to look at how to solve linear equations with variables on both sides. We are going to look at two examples. The first example is given here and the second example will be shown to you later in the video. So these equations have the variables on both sides. So we have two examples which we're going to be looking at. So these equations have variables on both sides. So we first of all need to combine like terms by moving all variables or variable terms to one side and constants to the other and isolate the variables. Okay, so as I've said, we have two examples. We have two examples that we're going to be looking at. So this is our first example. Okay, so let's continue. Let's solve it together. So here we have 4x plus 3 is equals to 2x plus 9. So we have variables on both sides. And so we would want to, we're going to first of all subtract 2x on the right, and we're going to do the same on the left. So whatever you do to the left, you must do it to the right. So that's the golden rule that you must, or you have to know when solving equations. Okay, so first of all, we are going to subtract 2x on both sides. So we have 2x plus 9 minus 2x, and we have 4x minus 2x plus 3. Okay, so 2x cancel itself out, cancel 2x out. Now we are left with 9 and 4x minus 2x plus 3. Now we have 2x plus 3. Okay, so the next step is we're going to subtract. Now we're going to subtract 3x on both sides of the equation. So we have 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equals to 9 minus 3. So 3 and 3 cancels out. We have 2x is equals to 6. Okay. And the third step that we're going to look at is the third step is we're going to divide 2x by 2 and 6 by 2. So 2 divided by 2, 2 cancels out. We left with x, and 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So now we know the value of 3. Okay, so let's verify this. Let's verify. Let's check to see if the value of x3 is true. Okay, so we have 4x plus 3 is equals to 2x plus 9. So here we have 4 and x now is 3 plus 3, we have 2 and 3 again plus 9. So we have 4 multiplied with 3 is 12 plus 3, and we have 6, and we have 6 plus 9. Okay, so 12 plus 3 is 15, and 6 plus 9 is 15. Therefore, the value of x3 is correct. So let's look at the second example together. We have 2x minus 2 is equals to 3x plus 8. So we are going to first of all subtract 3 on both sides. So we have 3x on both sides. So we have 5x minus 3x minus 2 is equals to 3x minus 3x plus 8. Okay, we have 3x and 3x cancels out, and we have 5 minus 3 is equals to 2x minus 2 is equals to 8. So now we have 2x minus 2 is equals to 8. Okay, the next step is where we are going to add 2 on both sides. So we have 2x minus 2 plus 2. So we have 8 plus 2 on the other side. So 2 and 2 cancel out. We have 2x is equals to 10. And the final step, we have 2x divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. 2 and 2 cancels out. We have x is equals to 5. Okay, and finally we are going to verify it. So we have 5x minus 2 is equals to 3x plus 8, and we have 5. This time we have 5 here minus 2 is equals to 3, 5 plus 8. So we have 5 multiplied with 5 is 25 minus 2, and we have 15. We have 3 and 5 is equals to 15 plus 8. So we have 25 minus 2 is 23, and 15 plus 8 is equals to 23. Therefore, the value of x5 is correct. Thank you, and I'll catch you in our next video.